All right, today I got a 2016 Chevrolet Express. 2016 Chevrolet Express. The problem I'm having is, I think my bushing that holds on to the bottom of the thing that holds on to make these things, this gear shift right here move, and on shift gears. The problem I was having was it was loose. It's actually loose right now, but I'm gonna show you on YouTube what I needed to fix it. And it's up under my vehicle. It's like the rod that's up under the vehicle that it catches on to. It's loose, and the piece was missing off of it. And the piece is called a bushing, I think. This is the piece right here. This little piece right here is why my vehicle won't shift. This is how it looks in the package. Shift linking bushing kit. Product 14092. So my best bet, I mean, that's what it is. I'm not gonna say I think that's what it is because that rod. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about though. Show you what I'm talking about. I go up under here, right up under your driver's side. So you go up under here, right? And you come all the way over, right here by this pipe right here. By yours, and it's all the way right there, if you can see it. Let me see if I can see it. This right, wait, hold up. That right there. See how that's hanging off? See how that's hanging off? But we gonna do this together. Try to set my phone down. I can't see what y'all see, but I think I got it directly up under it. Yeah, that piece right there. This piece goes into this hole, right? This is what holds it on. I'm guessing this is what holds it on. This pipe hot as hell. I'm trying not to burn myself. I don't want to burn myself, see what I'm saying? But if I can get this inside this hole, we'll be good. Oh, man. So, obviously that goes on there like that, but I have to get it. Okay, put that on first. Then you put this white piece on. But I'm pretty sure that this white piece has to come inside this right here, because that groove right here, this right here has to go around this inside this white piece. It ain't holding though. Okay. I gotta like kind of twist it and make it go in. Shit. I'm gonna get this right the first time, and I don't want it to come off no more while it's shifting. You know what I'm saying? And I'm doing this with my hand, man. That's how easy to fix it. Oh, see, it's coming off, man. See what I'm saying? But when I get it on, man, then I'm gonna show y'all that I fixed it. But right now, that's how you fix that, man. You gotta get it on there real good. And then your shift gear will work. The shift gear will work again. It'll work again once you get it on. Tell me what y'all think, man. Oh Lord, I'm trying to keep the camera right. I'm all over the place.